Welcome to Click Trading Education's weekly market roundup. I'm Ifti, and here's everything you need to know from the weekend in 12 September 2025 and what's on the radar for the trading week ahead. It was a week of broad-based gains. The S&P 500 climbed 1.6%, the Nasdaq added nearly 1.9%, and precious metals regained their shine, with gold at 1.4% and silver up 3.3%. Crypto stole the show. Bitcoin jumped over 5%, Ethereum 7.7%, and Solana rocketed almost 18%. Why the surge? First, a US jobs shock. Jobless claims hit a 4-year high, fueling expectations the Federal Reserve will cut rates this month. Next, Washington drama eased as Congress passed a stopgap spending bill, avoiding a government shutdown. Over in Asia, Beijing's fresh stimulus signals lifted risk appetite and even gave crude oil a late-week boost. Meanwhile, the UK economy flatlined in July, prompting traders to factor in a potential Bank of England pause. And despite talk of tougher US crypto regulation, digital assets rallied as the Fed's dovish tilt stole the spotlight. Tech and AI names remain market leaders, but valuations look stretched. Gold and silver continue to glitter as safe havens. Crypto's momentum is strong, but regulatory clouds linger. And oil, still caught in a tug of war between stimulus hopes and demand concerns. Looking ahead, it's a blockbuster week. Monday, China's industrial output and retail sales for clues on stimulus impact. Tuesday, UK labour market data and US retail sales to shape central bank thinking. Wednesday, the main event, Fed rate decision and Powell's press conference. Thursday, Bank of England decision and Australian jobs data. Friday, Bank of Japan policy call. Any surprise could jolt the yen and global yields. How might it play out? Base case, measured cut. Fed trims 25 basis points, plays it data dependent. Expect a modest USD pullback and steady equities. Bullish risk, double dovish, a 50 basis point cut plus dovish Bank of England and Bank of Japan. That's rocket fuel for equities and crypto and a weaker dollar. Bearish risk, hawkish surprise. If the Fed barely cuts or signals a pause, the dollar jumps, equities retreat, and gold cools off. Big central bank weeks separate the prepared trader from the headline chaser. At Click Trading Education, we help you trade with structure and discipline, turning market chaos into opportunity. Visit clicktradingeducation.com to join our next course and build your trading edge. Thanks for watching the Click Weekly Market Roundup. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and see you next week.